grill, now in your air fryer. GoWISE USA is proud to present the pinnacle of air frying, the ultimate air fryer oven and grill. Dual heating elements cut your cooking time and heat your food from all sides. The stainless steel exterior looks amazing in any kitchen, and of course, rapid air frying technology to help you cut on calories without sacrificing any of the crunch. It has 11 built-in programs to help you cook everything from French fries to fruit chips. Bake or broil, make pizza or pollock. And yes, even grill, using our all-new grill plate accessory. Imagine the perfect steak without ever setting foot outside. How about some roasted veggies as a side dish? Use additional accessories to take your cooking to the next level. Its built-in rotisserie function allows you to cook kebabs, roasts, or even a whole chicken. The Ultimate was engineered with your convenience in mind, with an interior large enough to cook for a family of 4 or more, but compact enough to sit on your countertop or tuck away into a cabinet. It comes with 2 recipe books. One helps you master the dehydrate function to make dried fruits, jerky, veggies, and herb blends. The other has recipes for, well, just about anything you can think of. The GoWISE USA Ultimate Air Fryer Oven and Grill has the versatility to make your cooking dreams come true. What will you make?
With the Philips Air Fryer XXL, you can make delicious, crispy fried food with up to 90% less fat. Its unique starfish shape swirls hot air to cook your food using little to no oil. It's the only air fryer that removes and captures excess fat below while cooking. Fry, grill, bake, or roast your favorite foods to perfection. Download the free Philips Kitchen Plus app for product support and hundreds of recipes. Bring home the world's #1 air fryer and make preparing healthy food easy and enjoyable. Together, we make life better.
It's time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our Cosori chefs, with new recipes added monthly to keep you inspired. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app, or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use, and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.